Hello, this is Computer Nation 1, presenting you a video of some of the best software that some of the best software on my computer that I provide, that I will suggest you guys should get. It's very helpful and some of the fastest ways to make your computer faster and how to disk clean your PC. Um, let's just get something off. If you look at one of my recent videos, we have a website. So if you guys have any problems with anything sorts of your computer, we created this website with mostly every operating system, and some of each operating system known by other operating systems. So if we don't have an operating system for your system, please just send the site owner a message and he'll put a page up and start a conversation with that. But okay, the website is made for people to go on there that has computer problems and can either ask the community or ask the people that work on the website. We have over 6 or 7 people that work on the website for each category. So if you send a message, you will receive a message. If you ask a question, we have people working on there most likely 24 hours. Sometimes the website, no one's working on there, but the community can respond to some of your questions. So if you have any questions, some of the community can respond to that. If you don't know the website link and you'd like to view it, the website link will be in the description. Another thing is, with this website, we have a web store. If you like PC gaming, or if you want logos and backgrounds, it's me and my friend Computer Nation Helper. He has it on YouTube, and me and him put together this website. And he makes logos and he sells them, and he's make great logos, And if you guys have any further questions about that, just leave a comment. Another thing is, we sell Minecraft accounts. Computer Nation 1, which is me. I have over 5 premium accounts, and I'm starting to sell them. I have an account called Minecraft Gamers Minecraft Gamers 54. That's a common name. Mostly people want that account because it's not like a bad name. It's not like a name like your name, like not like my name kind of name. It's not like a specific name. It's just Minecraft Gamers. So I think that's a pretty good premium account, and it's only $10 on our web store, at our website. So let's say going from $26 paying with a PayPal or any type sort of credit card, or would you like the $10 one that you get? I think the $10 one is pretty good, but yeah. So all you do is buy it. It'll tell you the password and username. You're gonna get the password and username. You can go on Minecraft.net and change the password as soon as possible. And yeah, so the thing's coming soon. I have a partner right here. Before we start the video about the software, I have a partner right here. He'll be explaining to you guys the things coming soon. He is Computer Nation Helper, and he is presenting himself right now, and he will be talking through the rest of the video. Well, not through the rest of the video, but he'll take 2 minutes of our time just explaining the new stuff, because he's in charge of the the web store most likely, and he makes the logos. He makes great logos, and he'll spend time on them if you like. And yeah, here he goes right here presenting Computer Helper.
Hi, my name is Computer Helper, and these are things that are coming soon are YouTube backgrounds, like backgrounds for your YouTube or whatever from Photoshop or whatever Computer Nation 1 uses. We got T-shirts. We're gonna be making a website for that. Hats, long sleeve hoodies. We be having coming soon. We having recorders like Dazzle DVC 100 HD, black or white one, cap cards, and yeah, some more stuff will be coming to you. So yeah, back to you, Davion.
Are you done, sir?
Yup.
Well, there you go. You have it. We have YouTube backgrounds coming out soon. So, we have some people out there that make YouTube backgrounds, but not as cool as us. And another thing is, the people out there that make the YouTube backgrounds cost so much money. How about this? We give you a YouTube background with a logo. Whoever the first 10 people to buy a logo or background, we give it to you for $5. That's a great discount because some of them out there charge you $25. But we'll give you a discount, don't worry. So, we have our friend Computer Helper. And he's here. I will put his YouTube link in the description for more further comments. If you have any comments, just comment on this video. And we will respond to you quickly as possible. Well, now let's get to the software that's on some of the great softwares you should have on your computer. First of all, let's start with the software I'm using right now to record my screen. Camtasia Studio 7 is the great software. It's a little bit expensive, but it's pretty good to record. You can start off with a 30-day free trial. The prices will be in the descriptions in the link. You can click the link and you can go to try the free trial if you think you like it or not. And you can try the free trial. It shows beautiful. It renders your video. You can produce and share, which it sends your video right to YouTube while you're on it. Like, you don't have to save the file to go to YouTube and go to upload. No, you can do it right in Camtasia Studios, where it's right here. It says produce and share. But you have to have a video. So first you record and you do produce and share. You can share it to the web. It has many different other categories, but the main one most people use is YouTube, right? Right. So that's a good screen recording software. It shows in HD YouTube. It can show in 1024. It shows in great HD. It's just so good. It shows words clearly. And yeah, another great software is CC Cleaner for. I believe they have CC Cleaner for Mac. If they do, I'll put a link in the description for both Windows and Mac. Most of the stuff I will put the description for both Mac and Windows. CC Cleaner is a great program. It cleans your PC for you and all the junk that you don't need for it. It cleans all the junk out and all the extra files you don't need and gives back some of your memory. For Mac users, you guys have a great program called App Cleaner. App Cleaner cleans out your apps that you installs like your apps easily, or you can use free memory. Free memory it searches your computer for free memory. It gives you a lot of free memory that is hidden from you, but that's for Mac. If Mac users, you guys want to know more about that, I'll put a description and link. And then we'll have a little time to let Computer Helper talk. Go for it.
We have some more software. Pinnacle Studios for Dazzle for recording. That'll be coming with Dazzle, or you can buy it separate, or either or. There's a program called Cinema 4D, as you know, where you can do logos and all that. We'll be putting up a thing about that too, and we'll be doing something else. And that's it for right now.
Okay, well, he said about the Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is a expensive software again, but it's pretty good. It can create 3D images, logos, can create 3D videos, can create advertisement, can create mostly anything. It grabs people's attention with the software. The things you can do on the software. Most people have it that's in 2 computers and the YouTube section. Most people know about it already. But let's get back to the CC Cleaner. The CC Cleaner cleans out your internet files, Windows Explorer system. It doesn't delete your files. Don't worry, it doesn't delete your documents. It doesn't delete all the junk you have that you don't need and just sitting there taking up your memory. So all you have to do is run a cleaner, or this process will permanently delete files from your system. Don't worry, you're not gonna delete none of your files, such as pictures and videos and download files. Don't worry about nothing. All it cleans is the junk. Don't be all scared and shaky. So you just run it. Take some time, but we'll get back to that. While this is running, I can be teaching about another software. Another software is Customized Fences. That is the best software you can have if you want your desktop to be organized. Let's say you're a business person like me, and computer helper. We have a lot of files on our computer and we need to keep organized, and we like to see the files on our desktop. Like, we have to have them at easy access, but a desktop can only hold so much icons or so much files on the desktop. It can't hold no more. Well, Fences give you the privilege to hold how many applications you want on your desktop, or how many files or how many programs you want on your desktop, and very organized, so you can keep different sections of different things. I'm going to show you an example right now, but I'm not using it right now because I'm using my laptop, which my laptop I don't do the business stuff on. So what you do is, all you got to do is hold, right click, and drag, and let's say create a fence. You can create a fence. Let's name it what category you want this in. We want this in the social. You can create a social category in browsers. So you have this, you can move whatever you want to. And all you gotta do is drag what you want in there. And you can change the size of it like this. And if you want it smaller. And they have it where you can scroll down so you can add how many you want. Like, I know that's not a computer thing, but yeah, how many you want. But that's how you use the fences. It's very organized, very helpful to keep categories, very helpful for you to find your stuff. And okay, so let's delete this. That was just an example. And it'll just move back after you delete fences. It'll move back to, if you have auto range, it'll move back the way it was. Okay, so next we're moving on to YouTube Converter Download. YouTube Converter Download lets you grab videos off the internet, such as your videos or your friend video. You can grab it off and you convert it, and you can, like, let's say you have a video on there and you lost your video or something, you can always go. It'll have a green arrow and you click on it and you click download. Like, you put this arrow on it and you click download, and you get the download. And that's very helpful if you delete some files and you want your videos back and you want to edit some more. You can always do that. So very good software for that. Another software is iTunes. iTunes, mostly everybody that had a computer for at least 2 years, you know about AutoTunes, especially Mac. AutoTunes come built in with Mac, and it come built in with Mac. AutoTunes, I said AutoTunes, I mean iTunes. iTunes is a media, I need to install it again, but I'm not gonna do that right now. iTunes is a good media source for iPods and Apple technology. And yeah, it just helps you keep it. It's like another Windows media player, but it has its own iTunes stores and etc. etc. Another good software is Evernote. Evernote is a great software used by not all, I'm going to say, but mostly every operating system, even phones, Androids, Apple, Mac, whatever. Evernote it runs on Windows operating system and also Mac operating system. Evernote is a great source to access your notes from different computers. If you type a note in Evernote and you have Evernote connected to your phone, it asks you for a user, like you can sign up with a user ID, a username and stuff, and like this grocery list and English, homework, science, etc. etc. You can access that anywhere. You can sign in with your phone. You can download the app on your phone, on the Android Marketplace, on the iTunes, Mac, Apple Place. Store, Android, whatever you want to call it, place. And when you sync stuff, it goes all over. It automatically moves it to your phone. Evernote, move it to your Mac Evernote or whatever you have Evernote on, and move it to the Evernote. Okay, so the next program is Windows Movie Maker. Right here. Windows Movie Maker is an easy and simple movie making tool. It's very simple. You can import videos, you can change some of the styles, and add caption titles and all this other. I think the best movie editing software will be Camtasia Studio and Sony Vegas Pro. Sony Vegas Pro is a great software, but it's very, 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 very expensive for just a software program. And when things are very expensive, that means it has to be good, right? Right. You have QuickTime Player, which is pre-installed on every Mac. I'm not gonna go over that right now. And you have your web browser. Google Chrome is a fast web browser, and it's good if you're a Gmail user, because it's all about the Google, all about Gmail, all about Google Documents, all about Google Ads, all about Google Merchant account. You have Safari, which is more into the Mac category. Safari is always built in every Mac, in that category, such type. And yeah, so if you have a Mac, Safari is great for Mac. I think Safari, to me, if you're going to ask me, I think it's pretty slow. Like, it's not, it can get some speed, but like, you have different files, many files open, it's pretty slow. One thing I gotta say about Internet Explorer, it improved so much. It's way faster. I love it. I kind of liking it more than Google Chrome right now. With the old Internet Explorer, it used to take a long time to load up. It used to be awful. They upgraded so much now. Internet Explorer 9, it runs so fast. You have the decision when you first open Internet Explorer to disable add-ons, which will load your Internet Explorer way faster. So I suggest you doing that. I know some people probably just ignore that and they probably don't use it no more because they think it's slow. Well, maybe if you disable some of the add-ons, right here you can go to Tools and Manage Add-ons. If you disable some of them, which mine's already disabled. Oh, right here it shows me what happens. I disabled all of them. When you disable all of them, it's good to make your computer load up faster, I think, because it's beautiful speed. And another computer source I would like to go over is XSplit. If you guys want, I'm gonna let Cordova get a section of XSplit. Cordova, give him a little thought of XSplit, aka Computer Nation Helper.
What?
Give him a second real quick. Tell them a little bit about the XSplit Broadcaster Pro software. Here he goes, and I will be back when he's done. Adios.
So, XSplit is where you can do live stream, Ustream, any stream basically that you can do. You can do like Minecraft example by just screen rendering and all that. And also you can do put music in it, put people from Skype in it. You can do a lot of things, and it shows good quality. So how your computer is running and how much RAM you got is based on that. So how much you have is really based on that, as I said again. So it just does numerous of things. It's like you can have a dazzle, and you can play the game while people watch you. You can have HD PVR, gaming edition, regular, original, cap card. I think it won't work like that much because they break easily. I want to advise you to get a cap card. iTunes you can put onto it, but you just gotta screen region it. Everything goes with screen region. You just click on everything, so then it'll pop up onto your list, and then you can play music real softly, like rock music or any kind of pop and all that. and you can put screen readers of like you playing like OMG Pop, Y8, Minecraft, or PC game Red Dead Redemption, Black Ops, Modern Warfare 3, or something like that. So it's really easy to use. You just have a tutorial or download it somewhere, and then that's good. So, are you back, Davion?
Yes, I am back. Well, thank you, Cordova. Well, XSplit, let's just say it the simple way, is a great way to go live on your PC. Or with Dazzles, HD PVRs, Capcars, which is not very good at Capcar, because according to Cordova, aka Computer Nation Helper, is not very good, right? Right. Okay. What I used XSplit for, what I used to use it for, was Justin.tv. Justin.tv works great with XSplit. It shows clear. Like most people use Minicam, which is horrible, and other softwares, which is horrible. But XSplit, I think, is one of the most show clear HD things you can use. As for going live with recording, I don't know about recording your desktop, but with going live, you can go live with like showing what you're doing. I use it a lot. I used to use it a lot for Minecraft because I used to be like a Minecraft nerd. As you can see, Minecraft. I ran my own servers, had a nice little let's say economy server, and yeah. If you guys would like me to make a server, I will make it, but right now I will not be making servers because I'm shut down. Okay, so with Screen Region, you can go to Add, Screen Region. Look at that. You can scroll what you want to see. You can actually, let's show you some more. You can add a camera, a media file, a Screen Region, add an IP camera, which is like security surveillance cameras. If you want like a Wi-Fi camera, like where you have a Wi-Fi camera like outside your house in the front yard, something you want to see, connect from there, and you can have a, let's delete this region because it's to delete regions, just click on it and press remove, and then we can make this one bigger. Okay, so you can, let's go back to the adding. You can add IP camera, you can add a game, you can add a title, you can add a live stream, and more sorts of type. And you can have different scenes. So like this scene can be called Minecraft, and you can have the next scene be Windows 7. It doesn't come with the BRB. That's the thing I have for Minecraft when I was going live on Just TV. You can have Windows 7 and show your Windows 7 background. Windows, you can have Minecraft, show Minecraft, and etc. etc. But now let's shut that down for now and get to some other softwares. Another great software, as most people around the universe should know about, is WinRAR. WinRAR is a great abstractor and a great known abstractor and underachiever file in the nation. I think over billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions use WinRAR because WinRAR is so great and so simple to use and free. I got the link will be in the description for that. As to my logo and background makers, this will be a great software for you as if you already make logos and backgrounds. Adobe Photoshop CS6 is great for making your own source logos, 3D images, below, just like Cinema 4D. You can make backgrounds and etc. etc. But yeah, another program will be this is another Adobe program, but that's the later one. And when you download Adobe Flash, you get the bridge. That's for the CS5, and then this is for the new one. And yeah, then you have the new right there. And for the Windows Live, you have Windows Live Movie Maker. Those programs that come with Windows. Well, these came with my Windows. Well, that's it for now. If you'd like to know about any other software, I will teach you. Just leave a comment. Thank you and have a great day.